If the medical profession is going to be crushed, you could always make some money playing bass.
Dr. Richard Amerling has a sense of humour. With his nephrologist colleagues, he's formed a band called the Kidney Stones. He doesn't really think that they'll have to take up a singing career due to Obama's healthcare reforms, but still, he says, a lot is at stake.
Drugs, technology, devices, we are the leaders of the world. This is the free enterprise at work, free enterprise system. We are in danger, I believe, of losing all of that if we turn it over to the government.
When he walks to his job as director of a dialysis unit and dons his doctor's coat, Dr. Amerling does not leave his convictions at the door. He's proud of his unit and says only a privatized American healthcare system can achieve results like this. But he doesn't have to go far to find different points of view. Owen Ploss, one of his patients, comes here 4 times a week for dialysis. Usually they don't speak politics, but when asked, they are poles apart.
My wife's drug bills, are her share of them that are not covered by insurance, come to about $12,000 a year, which is quite a bit.
I respect Mr. Ploss tremendously, as he knows. My concern is that the payment for a public option would come from increased premiums on most Americans, so their health insurance would actually become more expensive rather than less expensive.
It's not in the hospital corridors, but in the media where the battle is being fought. And here Dr. Amerling is counting on people like Betsy McCoy.
The Wall Street Journal is a piece that I composed with the viewpoints of some of America's top doctors.
She's not a doctor, but has become an expert on healthcare issues. Back in the early 90s, she led the fight against the Clintons' healthcare reform plans and won.
I do remember being awarded these boxing gloves after a debate.
When Barack Obama was elected, she knew it was time to put the gloves on again.
I want to see the uninsured covered, but don't tamper with the doctor's decisions.
Community entities.
On panels, TV and in print, Betsy McCoy is a fighter, but Liberals accuse her of lying and fear-mongering. However, she's not letting up. This time she says the reformers are more determined and she has lost the element of surprise.